Hello to all, I welcome you in Sadhguru Pathshala. So today our topic is nitrogen cycle. As we all know, about 78% of nitrogen is present in the atmosphere. But that 78% of nitrogen is actually useless for plants to consume. Plants cannot consume that 78% of nitrogen. So, this nitrogen needs to be converted in the soluble form in which plants can consume it. So nitrogen needs to be converted in three soluble forms like nitrite ions, nitrate ions, and ammonium ion. Majorly, plant can consume nitrogen in the form of nitrate ion. So this atmospheric nitrogen gets converted into the nitrate ion by the process of nitrogen fixation. This can happen via lightning or via rhizobium bacteria. Then this nitrate ion will consumed by the plants and convert it into the amino acids or proteins. When animals consume these plants, they produce at the end they produce waste. And when animals and plants they both will die or they produce any waste, then that waste gets converted into the ammonia. That process of conversion of waste material or decayed or dead materials into the ammonia is known as ammonification. When this ammonia gets converted into the nitrite and nitrate ion, this process is called as nitrification. But as we all know that this is nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen needs to be recycled back into the atmosphere before to maintain the nitrogen percentage in the atmosphere. This nitrogen needs to be recycled back. So in that process, nitrite ions get converted back into the atmospheric nitrogen, or we can say gaseous nitrogen, by the process known as denitrification. In this denitrification, some bacteria like Pseudomonas helps, and for nitrification there are bacteria like Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. So this is all about the nitrogen cycle. First, atmospheric nitrogen gets converted into the nitrate ion by the process of nitrogen fixation. Then this nitrate ion consumed by plants and animals, and then parallelly there comes the ammonification, then nitrification, then finally this nitrate ion goes back into the atmospheric nitrogen via a process called as denitrification. Thank you so much.